First, workhorse, now GoPro. Another one of the potential meme stocks mentioned in the video, the next big meme stock like GameStop, uploaded all the way back on March 24th. Among the green developments drawing attention to GoPro is a significant legal victory earlier in the month, when a U.S. International Trade Commission, ITC judge, ruled that competitor Insta360 had infringed on GoPro's patents related to its Hero camera design and hyper-smooth video stabilization technology. If the ITC ultimately finds in favor of GoPro, it could result in Insta360 being required to stop importing and selling products that infringe on GoPro's patents, potentially giving GoPro a competitive advantage in the market. The company's commitment to protecting its intellectual property is likely to be seen as a positive development by investors and could potentially have a positive impact on the company's stock price. In addition, GoPro intends to brief other outstanding issues in its infringement case against Insta360 with the full commission. The ITC is expected to issue its final determination on all of GoPro's infringement claims against Insta360 by November 10, 2025. GoPro also received positive reception from the launch of two new tools, Motion Frame and POV, to enhance the 360 editing suite in its quick mobile app. Motion Frame allows users to create dynamic edits by moving their phone during 360 video playbacks, leveraging the phone's gyroscope and touch controls to produce standard video files that reflect their desired perspective. The POV tool introduces a new way to create immersive "see what I saw" videos, automatically aligning the edit's perspective with the direction of travel during the original recording using GPS data from the GoPro Max camera. These new tools join a robust suite of 360 editing features in the Quick app, including AI-powered object tracking, keyframing, and camera effects, which adds cinematic movements like rotations and flips with a single tap. The app also supports single-clip edits, frame grabs from videos, and cloud editing for GoPro Premium or Premium Plus subscribers, enabling direct edits from cloud-stored footage. GoPro's focus on product innovation is on track, with the company unveiling the refreshed Max 360 camera and the Max 2 expected later in 2025 to recapture market share in the 360 camera category. The newly introduced anamorphic lens mod for Hero 13 Black is a cost-effective tool for creators and filmmakers. The company's expansion into the smart helmet market is expected to unlock a new revenue stream, with the Foresight Helmet Systems acquisition and latest joint development with AGV marking GoPro's entry into the $3 billion tech-enabled motorcycle helmets market. By the first quarter this year, its focus on efficiency and long-term growth showed early signs of progress. Operating expenses fell year over year, while subscription ARPU increased, reflecting improvements in revenue quality. The company continued to diversify its supply chain to better adapt to changing market conditions. Management stated that the organization is performing more efficiently and expressed confidence that the product launches in the latter half of 2025 and in 2026 will support a return to growth in both revenues and profitability. GoPro's strong innovation tempo, especially in creator-focused accessories and high-growth camera segments like 360, are among the focal points of bullish sentiment. They're gathering excitement that could jumpstart revenue recovery and consumer re-engagement. Recent product launches like the new special edition of its flagship Hero 13 Black camera, the Hero 13 Black Ultra-Wide Edition, and expansion into new markets are expected to drive growth and revenue recovery, making it a prime candidate for further bullish rallies if more bulls join in to keep producing green days with volume at or above 7 million.